Hi, my honeybees. My name is Priya. I'm from Bihar, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today is day 7th of this series where I share just two simple things to improve our English. Yes, so today you just need a pen and one phone, like your phone, obviously. And the today I'm going to read something say along with you, and don't worry, I will share this picture in the PDF form in the description box. And not only this picture, but I will share 10 more pictures, like 10 pictures that you can read. But we are not reading normal, we are not going to read normal. Today you just need one pen, any pen, it like a pen or a chopstick or a stick, anything, or a pencil. So today the first thing you have to do is pick up your pen and place it between your teeth like this. Don't hold it tightly just like this. No, hold it normally, just normal. And after that you have to read this slowly. You have to you know see that where you should take pause, what is this word, like you have to take pause basically in commas and full stops, you know what I'm saying. I hope you get it. So place it between your teeth and read. Wait, I'm going to share this picture on the screen so that you can also read. What are you waiting for? Go and pick one pen or pencil. Go. Don't make excuses, huh? Good. Stop wasting your wait. Stop wasting your potential. The worst thing you can do to yourself is to waste your potential. God has given you so many strengths and unique qualities, but while lacking discipline, you slowly let them fade away. It's a form of self-sabotage standing in your own way. By the way, sabotage means sabotage means you are just holding yourself back. आप बहाना ही बना रहे हो, खुद को ही रोक रहे हो वो चीज करने से. Knowing you can do more but choosing not to. Have you ever thought about the day you have to answer for all the time and talents you were given but didn't use? All the opportunities you let pass by. Time doesn't wait for you. Every day you choose comfort over effort. You are not just staying the same, you are falling behind. No one is asking you to change the world, but at least do yourself a favor. Use your potential. Push yourself. Even when it's uncomfortable, stay consistent. Even when it's boring, not for anyone else, but for yourself. I know it might sound funny. I know it might sound crazy when I read this, when you read this kind of, thing, just putting this pen in your mouth and what if someone see me? But don't worry about it. Just care about yourself. Okay? So, so the first thing you have to do is put your pen in between your teeth and read it. And the second thing you have to do today is just read it again, but without this pen. Fine? So let's read it again. Oh, stop wasting your potential. Potential means आपकी क्षमता. आप करना आप कर सकते हो बहुत चीज, आप में क्षमता है, but you are not doing anything. You can do it, you have the potential, but you are not doing it. You're just it's like a self sabotage. You're just holding yourself back. You're thinking that I cannot do this. But it's not. You have to try now. You have the potential. Oh God, there's so much fly here. Hmm. The reason why I don't make videos in my room, मेरा room कहाँ से आएगा भाई? There's no personal room of mine. The reason why I don't make videos in room because everyone will disturb me. That's why. So let's read it again, but without the pen. Stop wasting your potential. The worst thing you can do to yourself is to waste your potential. God has given you so many strengths and unique qualities, but by lacking discipline, you slowly let them fade away. It's a form of self sabotage, standing in your own way, knowing you can do more, but choosing not to do. Oh, have you ever thought about the day you'll have to answer for all the time and talent you were given but didn't use? All the opportunities you let pass by? Time doesn't wait for you. Time doesn't wait for you. Every day you choose comfort over effort. You're not just staying the same, you're falling behind. Okay, one more thing I want to say. It's not behind, it's behind. People pronounce it incorrect, but behind is the correct pronunciation. No one is asking you to change the world, but at least do yourself a favor. Use your potential. Push yourself even when it's uncomfortable. Stay consistent even when it's boring, not for anyone else, but for yourself. Okay, so this is the second thing you have to do. So it says that stay consistent even when it's boring, not for anyone else, but for yourself. You might be feeling bored by watching this series, but it's boring. Yes, it's boring. But do it for yourself, not for anyone, but for yourself. At the end of the day, there's no one but you. You have to face yourself. There is there have to be one thing that you did today to to build your future self. Your future self is already you have the dream you are dreaming about. Your future self is already living that dream. Are you getting it? So stop it. Stop thinking about anything, like stop thinking too much and do it. See, wait, I have seen excuse me, I have seen one post, but no, not, I'm not gonna tell you right now. I will tell you after, through my community post. Yeah, through my community post. So please do this today. So today's task was also very simple. Just you need just one pen and read that twice. First one, like first time you have to read it with the pen, and the second time you have to read it without pen. Okay. You might be thinking it will not improve our English, but it will. It will improve your pronunciation. It will improve your the rate of speed. It will improve your the intonation. You know what I'm saying? So it's important because I've tried it and it's really helpful. You can do this like a 10 minutes a day. It will help you too much, like the way it did to me. And yeah, that's it. I don't have anything like, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. I know this sound very simple, this sound very crazy, this technique is very crazy, but it's really helpful. Just try it, please, my honey, if you want to speak English fluently and with with I don't know, but with very, like, if you want people to listen to you, please try this. And fluent does not mean speaking too much fast, blah, 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 blah. This is not fluent means actually. The fluent means when you're able to speak English, when someone like people understand you, people can understand you, it means you are fluent. Yes, you can use it. Fluent does not means using difficult vocabulary. It's not. Fluent means speaking clearly. Fluent means speaking clearly. That's it. That's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye bye. Tomorrow at 9 p.m. Fine. And then, wait, not tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow, I will share my journal. I will share the diary that I've been writing for the past few days. I will share that. Fine. Bye bye. I'll see you tomorrow.